Best friend's bucket list. This book belongs to you. Hello. How are you? I made a list of things we can do. On a good day, we can go out and walk in the park, sit in the shade, and stroll in our favorite spot. Depending on the weather, we can cool down with a splash of water, stretch to make snow angels, hike on a hill, or just hang out and eat snacks. If we have to stay in, we'll take turns to visit and we can put on a play, listen to music, or sing our favorite songs. We can work on crafts, try new tastes, or just find something to celebrate. Maybe we'll have a sleepover, too. We can end the day with warm milk and a bubble bath, then say goodnight and snooze at last.